Welcome to Real-Time North America's Biolog demonstration. In the next couple of minutes, we want to show you how you can increase security and convenience at the same time, and also establish clear accountability and enhance your compliance efforts, especially when it comes to Sarbanes-Oxley Section 404 identity management. What we're going to do is we're logging onto an SAP R3 system, and the first thing we want to show, using a generic SAP user ID, SAP all, we put in the password, which is Biolog, and as soon as I hit enter, you will see that in addition to the password, the system is protected with biometrics, and I have to put my finger on the sensor in order to gain access to the system. This is what we call Security Protection 1. Now we go to the next level. Based on my user profile, I now have access to certain transactions, input types, and field levels. And now on the transaction level, for example, this purchase order transaction, we can protect everything with biometrics. So what this means is, even if your administrator SAP all has access, obviously, to the ME29, if we have protected this with biometrics, none of the consultants or administrators would be able to access those. Let me show you how we can protect individual input types on the field level. And what I would like to do first is, I'm going in the PA20, looking at health information, and you will see if I type in the input type 168 and I hit enter, it will automatically show me the insurance plans. If I do the same thing again and I type in 167 and hit display, based on the input level, I am required to put my finger on the sensor again to verify that I have permission to look at this input type. At this point, I would like to point out that we will see in the left bottom corner that the identified user was Thomas, and you might have noticed down at the right bottom corner that I have always used my right index finger to verify. I want to go back out and do the same thing again, but this time I will put a different finger on the sensor, which I have enrolled as Amanda. You will see clearly that I have put a ring finger on, and now if we look down at the bottom, we see that the identified user is Amanda. Please allow me to do this one more time. I will hit the enter right now, and now we will put the middle finger on the sensor, and you will see that the system will tell us that this user was not recognized. This is not true. April just put her finger on the sensor, but while April is enrolled with the biometric template, she does not have permission to access the input type 167, so she was rejected. The log file would clearly show the auditors later that April tried to look at the input type 167 and was rejected. By the way, Brevard County government, home of Kennedy Space Center and the NASA, won the Input Type 100 award, protecting the input type to comply with HIPAA. Next, I would like to show you what we have done for the government. In this example, we have masked or hidden certain fields, so if people who don't have permission, like April, put their finger on the sensor, a person would not even have to be enrolled in the system. The P notification will pop up, and you see certain fields where the reference object is, and next to the M2, which is an information line, they are hidden or masked. Now I will go back out again and open the transaction again. In this case, Thomas, with a high-level security clearance, will put his finger on the sensor, and you will clearly see that now the masked fields are visible.